Hey guys, my name is Ken Sesred, and today we're going to review the Good Double Power Flex Pet. So, in the last video, as you saw, this core is short, so it has power through pet hair. Also, we could give us another video for another package cleaner. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, the Double Power Flex Pet gives a truly outstanding package of performance, just like a Eureka Power Scheme. So, thanks for watching. Of course, do this one, because this one pieces got popped off, but that's okay. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more vacuum cleanup videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys later.